Today you're going to learn 3 ways to download Roblox on your computer. The first way to download Roblox on your computer is to go to the website roblox.com/download. Once you're on the site, you'll see a button in the middle of the screen that says Download Windows App. Click that button and the Roblox installer will be downloaded. Just open the installer and wait for it to launch. Then you just have to wait for it to finish downloading the game and you're good to go. The Roblox app will open automatically after the download is done, and all you need to do is log in and start playing. The second way to download Roblox on your computer is to go to the site roblox.com and log into your Roblox account. Choose any game and click the play button. Right after that, a download option will appear. Just click download, and the same process will happen. The installer will download, you open it, wait for the progress bar to complete, and after everything is finished, the game will automatically open on your computer. Then you can start playing any game you want. Finally, the third way to download Roblox is by going to the Windows search bar and typing Microsoft Store. When the Microsoft Store app opens, go to the search bar, type Roblox, click on the Roblox game, and then click the Get button. After you click the button, the game will start downloading. Wait for the download to finish, and when it's done, just click play. The game will automatically open. Just log into your account and start playing.